together in one of them wide chairs. It was 1-to-1, so us two.
He
Most of the women.
offered that $10 to me yesterday when we were, I was,
She's got me feeling odd.
McIntyre's.
oh my,
Whiskey's
what?
didn't come through.
Unbelievable.
You're gonna live here next week, you
Too
don't
far to
fucking
walk.
come up with
So when we went to Morrisville, it was in the
You are
kindergarten.
so full.
I don't know how long he's been working. Whoa, he just about fell there.
Yes.
When I got
He
to
wants
Morley,
everybody to feel sorry for
everything they was teaching I already knew.
I want that
I can't
energy.
tell you the name of that teacher
You have to see the, watch
I
his little
didn't
red.
like her
He's cleaning the nest.
because
Oh,
I
that's
never
pretty
had a
good.
chair.
The male is the one that
My-
builds the
About
nest.
that, you know.
She put
Go
me
fast.
somewhere.
And he'll go find himself
Because
a
I can help
female,
all
and then
these
he'll
kids
work, then
do
he'll
their
work on
own.
another nest,
She
or
took
he'll,
full advantage
and
of
he'll
it.
go, or
Years
he'll
later,
build a bunch of them. and
Maybe
take
he's
them.
kicking her out. He's throwing her furniture out, her clothes.
She didn't hurt me.
She's
So I
out,
didn't.
getting a new one
He
in.
just, there, see, he's got a big piece, he goes up.
Like another woman,
One guy put his net.
I basically hated her. It was the
This is
second grade. She
entertaining.
wrapped me across the radio
There,
over
he
her
takes
home.
the bigger pieces up on the top
And
and
basically
lets them
hated
go.
her, and I basically didn't learn nothing.
I got a feeling she's not taping because I don't see the light blinking.
It
It
is.
gave me problems with the rest.
There you go.
Oh,
Even
thank
then.
you.
You're welcome.
But she took, I'm gonna say, 5 kids. They was out at recess.
Yes.
I've never seen her.
Yeah. Probably 10 of each. Well, we got rid of the other ones in like a day.
You don't have any